We as a society have failed men. We have failed to bring up men as equal adults. As a community, we have failed to teach men basic adulting skills like looking after themselves, prioritizing looking after themselves, taking care of their health, regular visits to their doctors. That too, again, I'm just talking of general doctors. God save you if you ever need to visit an andrologist. I'm not sure if you are even allowed to discuss with your best friend, with your best male friend, that you think you need to visit an andrologist. Forget about talking to your parents or even siblings about this. And let's be honest, men's mental health still don't matter until and unless it is a false accusation or an unfair, exorbitant alimony claim. Men are also not taught to have friends, like really close friends. Not just guys you get along with or you get together with to gossip about your ex or present partners or news or politics or your work or salary appraisals. Really, other men that you can share your doubts and uncertainties and hesitations and thoughts about anything at all without fear of shame or judgment. So men that you can get along with and talk about the difference of who you think society wants you to be and who you really want to be. Okay, to hell with the society. Who you think your girlfriend or wife would love more and who you as a person really are and want to grow into. I'm not sure if men are allowed to have such friendships with other men. I'm also not sure if you as a man would be equally respected as masculine enough in the society if you are not a certain level of indecent. I'm not sure if you would be considered very manly if you are overly involved in your relationships and if you actually start treating your partner, girlfriend, wife, whoever as an equal partner in life in every way. I'm not sure if you would be respected enough. I'm not sure if the community would allow you to have a sense of identity, a healthy self-image without the hypersexual version of masculinity that society has normalized. I don't know if you will be mocked or criticized or laughed at or even bullied maybe. Even as a man, you are allowed to be as emotionally invested in relationships as a woman is usually expected to be. But I suppose no one has ever said that to you before. Long story short, देखो दुनिया की सुनोगे ना तो दुनिया तुम्हें मैनली बनाने के चक्कर में ना शायद ह्यूमनली बनाना भूल जाएंगे. So maybe just be the human that you want to be, even at the cost of being an outlier, being laughed at, mocked at, ridiculed, bullied even probably. Be the man that you want to be. And I wish you the resilience and healing that it takes to defy gender stereotypes even as a man. Redefine masculinity on your own terms. Redefine what it means to be a man in the world, in your life, in to the people around you. Whatever that means for you, live true to your soul. This International Men's Day, I wish you the freedom from gender stereotypes around being a man in the society.